let's see. It's initializing. Okay, the recording has started. Again, welcome middle grades to the club's open house. I'm happy you guys came. I'm so excited to have you here. I hope everybody can hear me. Can you hear me? I think you can. You let me know if you couldn't, right? But then again, you couldn't because I locked the chat. So I guess, okay, I see some thumbs up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I know you're excited to find out what clubs we have for middle grades. First of all, I want to remind you guys about the For You By You Club. So we are going to do the For You By You Club again this year, but it is going to be totally different. If you want to come up with your own club, you can do so. However, you're going to have to attend a leadership training. It's going to be just one day. It's probably going to be about 30 minutes, but you're going to have some type of training so that you can know how to handle a group. So if you're going to do the For You By You, you can no longer just come up with a club and a slide. You are going to have to go through a mandatory leadership training. Now, I'll let you know when that training is going to be because there's only going to be 2. If you do not make it to those trainings, you are not able to do your club. So it is very important that if you want to do the For You By You Club, you have to do the leadership training. You have to attend it. You have to attend the entire thing. And you cannot do your club if you're not going to. But we have so many clubs that maybe you don't even have to do For You By You. So without further ado, let me introduce our first club. This club is familiar. You probably saw it last year. It's a very successful club and it's ran by some really, really great people. And so I'm happy to introduce to you. I started recording. Thank you. So we're happy to introduce to you the Baking Club. Yay! All righty. Yes. So do you love to bake? Are there any people who love to bake? I love to eat the treat. I don't necessarily like to bake treats. But if you love to bake and you want to be a part of a great baking club, this is the club for you. It is hosted by Miss Ava T. and Mr. Therian. Now, let me tell you, for those who are interested in being a part of these clubs, there is a presentation link in the notes. And I'm going to put the presentation link in the chat as well. You're going to grab that presentation link, copy it, and when you open it, you're going to find all the links to register for these clubs, okay? So that's how you're going to register. You're going to find the link inside of the presentation and going to fill out the form so that you can register to be a part of the club. The club leaders will then get in touch with you and let you know when the club starts. The information I have here for the baking club, it says they meet every other Thursday, every month from 3:40 to 4:30. Once you sign up, you're going to find out the exact dates. So don't worry about that. But just know they meet every other Thursday, every month from 3:40 to 4:30. That's the baking club. Next club, we have, let's see. I'm so excited. Book Dragon. So excited about the Book Dragon Club, aren't you guys? This is a group of people who love books in any shape or form. You're going to come, you're going to discuss books about fellow dragons, of course. What else? Okay, so club is going to be hosted by Mrs. Schneider and Mrs. Aylor. You're going to love it. Again, if you want to register for the club, you're going to open the presentation link and you're going to find the link to register for this club. They meet on the second and fourth Thursday of each month from 4 to 5. And there you have it, the Book Dragon Club. I'm excited. All right, we have more, but wait, there's more. Hold on. Okay, let's see what's next. Woo! Water cooler champs. Woo-hoo! All right, this is exciting. I don't know about you guys. I wish I could sign up for some of these things. I love to paint. I don't know how to paint. I love to paint. So this would be an awesome club for me because obviously they're going to show you how to use watercolor.
Can you
Okay.
put it in chat?
Ah, look, there should not be any microphones on. Let me make sure all the microphones are off. Hold on. I didn't think I had to do that. There it is. Okay. So, watercolor champs, they meet on the second and fourth Wednesday of the month from 3:45 to 4:45. Again, go to your presentation link, find the form to register. They'll be happy to have you. You're going to learn a lot. It's going to be exciting. Alrighty, next club. Ooh, what do you guys think it's going to be? I don't know. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see. Woo! This, yes, the newspaper club. This is my favorite club because I love to write. So I know if you love to write, if you love reading articles and things like that, this is going to be the club for you. Mrs. Alexander is she is going to be a really, really great club leader for this club. I believe, I'm almost sure, I don't think, I know, I think she did this last year. So she is very experienced in what she does. It's going to be fun. It says newspaper articles for students by the students, including team building. And I read some of the articles from last year, and it just looked like it was professionally written. These students were so awesome in this club. Miss Alexander does a wonderful job. I'm excited for you if you join this club. Again, you're going to find out all the information. This club meets on Wednesdays and Fridays. Get that link from the presentation so that you can join. All right, next up. Anime Club. Yes. Woo! Excited about this one as well. All right, join the Anime Club. It's a place where enthusiasts can comfortably share their love and knowledge of anime. Who doesn't love it? Okay, so it's on Wednesdays from 4 to 5. You do not want to miss this club. I just have a feeling it is going to be awesome. I have a feeling you're going to have a lot of fun. So make sure you register for Miss Scazzari. I hope I said that right. Scazzari? Yes. Awesome leader, and you're going to enjoy this club. Don't forget, go to your presentation, get the link so that you can register. Don't miss out. Okay? All righty. Here we go again. Let's see what we have. Minecraft. Woo! We're excited about Minecraft. They want you to join them every first and third Wednesday of the month to get your game on. They are excited. Our leader, Miss Christy Wilson, and her co-hosts are so excited to have you. And we want you to join these clubs. So if you want to be a part of the Minecraft Club, go ahead, grab that link in the presentation. Don't wait. Don't wait till it's too late. Okay, let's see what we have next. Ooh, this is for, okay. I love this. This is a music club, and it teaches you the ways of music and promoting imagination and creativity. Did you not know that musicians and people who study music, they get better at math? So you might just want to go ahead and be a part of this. Miss Humphreys is running this meeting on Wednesdays from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. So definitely, this is so awesome. I mean, I wish that I can join this music club because I love music. Who doesn't love music? So join. Remember, Wednesdays, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Get that presentation link so that you can join. Don't forget. All right, let's see what we have next. We're getting to the end here. Ooh, another good one. When I read about this, I was like, okay, this is the club for me. I don't have a lot of money to do a lot of things, to be going all over the world, but how cool is it that in the Travel Bug Club, you can go all over the world and see all kinds of wonderful things virtually? Miss Lowe, I mean, this club is a brilliant idea. Okay, I love it. The Travel Bug Club. I would definitely want to be a part of this. They meet on the second and fourth Wednesday of the month from 4 to 5. Don't miss it. It's for students with a passion for discovery. They're going to virtually travel the world, learn about other cultures, places, people, music, and cuisines. The food, it's all about the food. So, yes, make sure that you join this club because I think it's going to be really, really exciting. So, I think we have about one more. I think it's one more. All right, let's see what it is. Woo-hoo. Yes. Dungeons and Dragons Club, D&D Club. Mrs. Fouts is running this club. Look at all the things. There's so many things on here. I can't even read it. Oh my goodness. This looks like it's going to be an awesome club. I love that she included the conduct and etiquette here because we do need that. So make sure that if you want to join this club, again, I know you guys should know it by now because I keep saying it because I want you to remember it. But go into the presentation, grab the link so that you are able to join this club. It's going to be awesome. And I lied, I think we have one more. Let's just see. Yeah, there we go. Thought we had one more. So who does not love Disney? Okay, this club is for all. If you love all things Disney, this club is for you. You're going to watch Disney shorts, play games, make crafts, have virtual field trips, and more. Miss Walker has put together such a great club. Disney Fun Club. I love it. So I wish I would definitely do this club, and maybe I will just come in on some of these clubs. Guess what? I need it just as much as you guys do. I know you guys have been asking for clubs. You have been excited about clubs. We have another club. Every time I think I'm at the end. Okay, I got to give this one some applause. Every time I think I'm at the end, you guys are so fortunate because middle school, middle grades have the most clubs. Primary and elementary do not have this many clubs, neither do secondary. Middle grades, you are fortunate to have staff that are willing to work with you and that are willing to put clubs together for you so that you guys can get together and fellowship together and have a great time and learn great things and learn just all kinds of new crafts and arts. You are so fortunate, and you're very fortunate to have the audio book club by Miss Biddy. Oh my God, this is awesome. Percy Jackson is about to be kicked out of boarding school. What in the world is going on? You got to come and find out in this High Flying Readers audio book club. This sounds like it's going to be awesome. It says readers can earn prizes and pizza. Prizes and pizza? Are you kidding me? I'm coming. Maybe I can pretend to be a middle schooler. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so make sure you go into the presentation, grab the link so that you can be a part of this audio book club. It's great. Don't miss it, guys. And that's the end of all of our clubs. I hope that you can find something that you will enjoy doing, that you would enjoy being a part of. Again, you can do the For You By You clubs because if there's something here that you don't see that you like to see and that you feel that you can do, there's always the For You By You clubs. But again, you have to make sure that you go through the leadership training, and I'll be announcing that really, really soon. But those are our clubs. I'm so excited, and I'm so excited that you guys came to join us to find out about these clubs. I know you're not going to like every club, but I hope there is something that you found that would be interesting to you and that you would love to be a part of. So I want us to go ahead and give a hand to all of our staff for coming up with such awesome ideas, such awesome clubs. We're so excited. Woo! Yay! Yes. And that, my dear friends, is that. Now, if you are interested, again, go ahead and grab that presentation link because this presentation is over. And if you have any questions about any of these clubs, you want to know any information, you don't understand something, you want to just find out what exactly it's all about, make sure that you reach out to the club sponsor, follow their names. The form to sign up is in the presentation. All you need to do is reach out to them and ask your questions, okay? So don't fear. If you have questions, ask the sponsors. I could open up the chat and try to answer questions, but they're not my club, so I don't have the answers. The club sponsors would be the best people to ask about the clubs. So right now, I'm just giving them another shout out. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, club sponsors, for giving our students an avenue to express themselves outside of the regular school day. And thank you so much, students. I really, really appreciate you attending this club's open house. And that is it. Thank you so much for coming. You are dismissed. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Janaya. Appreciate it. You guys can go ahead and go on with your day, but don't forget before you go off to collect that link.